First, the top headlines. Fierce gunfight at Thailand Pokpi and Sangaital. Suspected 2 Kuki militants reportedly killed, 3 village defense volunteers injured. Situation in Manipur is heartbreaking, says Sonia Gandhi. MMWO strongly condemns the explosion of bomb at Kwakta last night. And curfew relaxed for Imphal East, West and Bishnupur districts till 5 p.m. today. No shorten of curfew till now. Hello and welcome to ELITETV English News. This is Thokchom Aleza bringing you the top stories and latest news at this hour. Now, the news in detail. Fierce gunfight has been reported at Thailand Pokpi and Sangaital today. Suspected 2 Kuki militants reportedly killed and 3 village defense volunteers have been injured in the gunfight. The incident took place around 4 a.m. this morning. Our video journalist Langamba and Hentoiba is near the spot. Let us listen what exactly happened there from Langamba.
Thokchom matang da hojik sport ta khoi pawmi langamba lere langamba maroina thokchom pung kya da thokhibono jaga kadai dono misi mina kyam yawre akhune paw bu phangge tumsi chumbra kai legim thaibiro langamba
hoje le jaiba jaga si fayangi futsal sport du dane tabe ba
nda habi ta habi
fayangi futsal sport du dane aduga sigi manang mak sida khogi Kampopi district amadi Imphal West ki district lonar leiba pongjang amadi Thailand Pokpi ki jaga sida ngasigi nongalam da pung mari de nakalani ki oiba khuthona ba chi thoki bani aduga jaga sida khoi ki Assam Rifles su CRPF su aduga state ki force lei aduga jaga sida khoi ki khuthona ba sida khoi ki nakalani ki oiba asok ba se chapchabi mukti haiba ngamdri adu huji khoi mayam kakalaga yengna bona re aduga mafam asida khogi chapchabi mak ungda bache mayam mafam fauda khogi khunjam chingthakta nongmaina pambadagi sok tuna leina phangjai adu phangiba pawsigi matungena khogi mi ani khakti afsam falna mogi kemda pusungren hairi adu pusungiba mioi ani asi khogi lekai gi imai ben yauduna afsam falgi kemda changaga pusingi bengu si akhoi confirm tong na haina maya na chungni
akhone ta ko da khoi kuki militant ani kuki militant chingna ba mi ani sire aduga ahum na hebagi pawlei kuki militant si bidi kai kamaina tawno adu habet thambiba yabra
hoji da hoji kuki militant ani sire baji chapchabi khangba ndri adu kaida Thokchom ga samar falam ji asiri personal sinda khangba kuki militant gi mi di Leki driver Paul on the farm.
Howzik so ibasingsi maming matha khangmang mamabra kari kari aduga chapchaba hajiksi asana phali kemda so ani phajalaga leigi hai sok kopan basi kaya so habiki paw chapchana leire
mi manga sida ko nan so kam ko hospital ai mata pukat kre huliba asi ako giting ta leiba sida summer film ni jaga se khangna na
sound clear kar wale to koi apne taza bada koi mi asana phil ki kem de changi bado khungi mai bel mayam na madu chang lo thong na bo honai ha bi paule kari phim le adu situation na habiu
pusan re ha ba di ba pa di mai mai de ya sampai tanah cemara, sehingga ini si tasnya nasional kali tahu belum hai betul, mana
Makata na koi sangai tholom the so koi kuthong na bagi pau pangi nang na de paring ni sangai tholom the kuthong na bagi pau di kamai tori haibio
hojiki akhoi sangai thial da thoiba matam asijo khoi phaying da thoiba pu mari tharamde thadi tokpani adu sangai thil gi pau se huji da pen tha matam da miyo ani chokpagi pau di pange aduga kuthong na badi hojiki phaying je nakalani gi oiba kuthong na bale khara sangai thil hoji boba lep lai da thali legi thokang
How's the very good hundred but say cookie milton sing the best singer couldn't knock Kunza singer at Hungary.
Cookie cookie miltenga kunja amadi state force yawi.
Okay, Tagatari, Lagamba, we check in the review, Makata, and Abdel Lozerake. Thank you so much.
As the law order situation has been improved gradually in Imphal East, West and Bisnupur districts, curfew has been relaxed till 5 p.m. today. Markets and shops were open during the curfew relaxation in the 3 districts. People rushed to the markets and shops to purchase essential items during curfew relaxation. Traffic was seen as normal as before on the roads. Many phone calls came asking about shorten of curfew in Imphal East and West. For the moment, there is shorten in curfew timing in Imphal East and West. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has convened an all-party meeting on 24 June in New Delhi to discuss the situation in Manipur. The northeastern state has witnessed violence for over 1.5 months. Mr. Shah had visited Manipur last month and met a cross-section of people to bring back peace in the state. A report by Manipur Cabinet Subcommittee on Identifying Illegal Immigrants says over 2,000 Myanmar nationals have set up settlements inside Manipur, refused to be moved to designated shelters. Kuki civil society groups have been alleging that the Manipur government, in the name of trying to identify illegal immigrants, has been living in the hills of Manipur for a long time and even fought against the British in what is now known as the Anglo-Kuki War. The BJP government, led by Chief Minister of N. Biren Singh, only wants to brand genuine Indian Kuki tribes as illegal immigrants, Kuki groups have alleged. The identification of such a large number of illegal immigrants in the first phase of the field visits itself has become a reason of panic among immigrants settled in the state, the report said. During the identification drive, it was observed that illegal immigrants from Myanmar have established their own villages, said the report, a copy of which is with NDTV, adding it has enclosed the videos of their field visits in their initial findings submission. It was during this identification exercise where the establishment of such villages was objected, and they were advised that shelter homes will be built by the government for them. The illegal immigrants have raised strong objection to the proposal, and it is one of the reasons for the violence that broke out recently, said the report. Regarding the burning of one Naga house at Leimakong, Chingmang by armed Kukis on June 18, the United Naga Council, UNC, the Naga Women Union NWU, and the All Naga Students Association Manipur, ANSAM, said such a heinous crime is tantamount to a direct challenge to the Nagas at large. The Working Committee of UNC, the Naga Women Union NWU, and the All Naga Students Association Manipur, ANSAM, on the visit to site have assessed the situation prevailing around the Konsaram, Leimakong Naga areas. Naga leaders informed this to Numai News Network today. While strongly condemning the torching of one Naga house belonging to Angkhon Liangmei on June 18 at Leimakong, Chingmang, right under the nose of security forces, the UNC said it was shocked to learn the premeditated attack on the Naga house by armed Kukis despite of Naga house tag being pasted on the wall. The UNC termed it as a provocating action against the Nagas during this conflict and sensitive juncture. The ANSAM said along with the United Naga Council, UNC Working Committee, Naga Women Union NWU, and Liangmei Naga Council, they went for a spot inquiry today and witnessed the house been burned down and vandalized gates belonging to Liangmai Naga at Leimakong. They also interacted with the Liangmai leaders and the victims. The team was informed that the incident was purely intentional, as every Naga house in the Leimakong area was tagged as a Naga house to mark that they belong to Naga community. The Ansam also urged both the central and state governments to religiously work toward restoration of peace and normalcy in the state. Now let's take a short break. Stay tuned for more updates.
ꯑꯩꯅ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯗꯦ ꯅꯪ ꯈꯨꯡꯒꯪꯗꯒꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯁꯤꯟꯕꯗꯅꯦ ꯅꯪ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯗꯦ
ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯃꯇ ꯈꯜꯍꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ
ꯑꯁꯨꯛ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯂꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯤꯔꯤꯌꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ
ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯅꯆꯟꯅꯨꯄꯤꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯃꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯅꯤ
ꯍꯦ ꯇꯨꯃꯤꯟ ꯂꯩꯌꯨ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯟꯅꯨꯄꯤꯒ ꯅꯪꯒꯅꯦ ꯊꯥꯛ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯩ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯆꯒꯠ ꯆꯒꯠꯀ ꯉꯥꯡꯕ ꯁꯥꯔꯗꯅ ꯍꯦ
ꯂꯥꯟꯅ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝ ꯇꯥꯏꯕꯪ ꯄꯥꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯀ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯔꯝꯕ ꯌꯨꯝꯅꯥꯝ ꯁꯨꯔꯖꯤꯠ ꯀꯨꯃꯥꯔ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯂꯥꯏꯁ꯭ꯔꯝ ꯁꯨꯔꯦꯁ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯃꯣꯏꯔꯥꯡꯊꯦꯝ ꯍꯦꯃꯟ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯅ ꯃꯄꯨꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯟꯊꯥ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯂꯝꯂꯒ ꯍꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯆꯩꯆꯠ 16/3/2019 ꯀꯨꯝꯖꯥ ꯏꯉꯥꯒꯤ 25ꯅꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯄꯣꯛꯄ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯋꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯄꯨꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯀꯣꯜꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯤꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯆꯩꯆꯠ 19/3/2019 ꯀꯨꯝꯖꯥ ꯏꯉꯥꯒꯤ 30ꯅꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯕ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯥꯏꯖꯤꯡ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇ ꯃꯉꯥꯅꯤ ꯂꯩꯍꯨꯟ ꯇꯝꯖꯔꯒ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯆꯩꯆꯠ 23/3/2019 ꯀꯨꯝꯖꯥ ꯏꯉꯦꯟꯒꯤ 6ꯅꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯕ ꯊꯥꯡꯖ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯟꯅ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯦ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯂꯃꯟ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯏꯕꯦꯜ ꯃꯔꯨꯞ ꯃꯄꯥꯡ ꯁꯥꯒꯩ ꯅꯥꯇꯩ ꯏꯆꯤꯜ ꯏꯅꯥꯎ ꯍꯧꯃꯤꯟ ꯀꯥꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯁꯛ ꯈꯪꯖꯍꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏ ꯇꯔꯥꯅ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯂꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯃꯄꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡꯈꯩ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯔꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯍꯩꯀꯠ ꯂꯩꯀꯠ ꯇꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯤꯔꯅꯕ ꯏꯂꯤꯠ ꯇꯤꯚꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯊꯥꯡꯗ ꯄꯥꯎꯖꯦꯟꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯌꯨꯛ ꯄꯨꯡ 9 ꯂꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯍꯧꯕ ꯑꯌꯨꯛ ꯄꯨꯡ 9 ꯏꯁꯩ ꯍꯧꯕ ꯄꯥꯎꯖꯦꯟꯖꯔꯤꯕꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯨꯝꯅꯥꯝ ꯑꯣꯡꯕꯤ ꯇꯅꯧꯕꯤ ꯂꯩꯃ ꯁꯨꯔꯖꯤꯠ ꯀꯨꯃꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯕꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯁ꯭ꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯡꯕꯤ ꯏꯕꯦꯝ ꯂꯩꯃ ꯁꯨꯔꯦꯁꯀꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯕꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯔꯥꯡꯊꯦꯝ ꯑꯣꯡꯕꯤ ꯉꯧꯕꯤ ꯂꯩꯃ ꯍꯦꯃꯟꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯕꯤ ꯑꯣꯛꯁꯨ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯦꯝ ꯆꯥꯈꯨꯜ ꯀꯝꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯍꯣꯜ
Welcome you all to UNACO College, Khongman, Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational college offering both BA and BAC courses. UNACO College will be affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. First academic session will begin in July 2023. Hurry up! Registrations and admissions open for 2023-24 academic session.
Diabetes ka loina hinglibusing tha amagi manungda fahanba ngamle. Khong hamba nungaitabsu numit manganigi manungda fahanba ngamle. Piles haibadi nungsang nabasu chama da chama fahanba ngamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oina lehenba ngamle. BP wangbasu tha amagi manungda normal da lehenba ngamle. Pumnamak natural oiba anoba hidak makhalsingna laying jabani. Haksang da sokadaba side effect amata leite. Makhatana hidak chabagi mathausu tararoi. Akopa moral gidamak na simaglangsing birau Diabetes Hospital, Jenims Road near Punjab National Bank, Porompat.
SS Career Solution na Chahitara Hena Hunai Sida Ladiba Naharol Singbu Achumba Sinfam Mama Kangjana Bagi Kudom Jaba du Mapung Fana Pina Bagi Damak Specialized Oiraba Tim Gaya Semdona Angang Singbu Nauringai Dagi Koiga Jana Ba Sinfam Gimaramda Singna Mari Makong Taktuna Afaba Kunayama Oirak Nabahona Dunanga Sifawala Career Solution Amagi Chap Jana Guidance Tiba Haibasi Arriba Dinate Adubu Iburgedi Toina Nungsa Tiningai Oitre SS Career Solution na akaknaba plan amadi expertise singa punsinduna sacha khagnatana community level dagi hauraga adom gi khwaidagi chanaba sinfam adu mai pakna chatnanaba sem sagani ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯌꯥꯝꯂꯕ ꯅꯍꯥꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯆꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯝꯕꯦꯜ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯂꯝꯖꯤꯡꯍꯧꯔꯁꯤ SS Career Solution ꯅ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯨꯞꯅ ꯈꯟꯊꯍꯧꯔꯁꯤ
Admission open. Manipur ki mapanda chatrabasu yaraba best quality education ga loinana Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science pangai. Manipur University da affiliated tauba Indian Nursing Council amadi Pharmacy Council of India na recognized tauraba college asida chaliba academic session asigi akagnaba sit masingi admission hauzare. Coursing adudi BSc Nursing, Diploma in Pharmacy, Bachelor of Pharmacy, BSc Forensic Science, BSc Radiology and Imaging Technology, BSc RIT, BSc Medical Laboratory Technology, BSc MLT amadi BSc Operation Theatre Technology Operation, BSc OTT hariba coursing asigi scholarship ki khudong saba su phangbigani amadi meritorious students singi oiba tongan ba khudong saba mayam ama legani akopa morol gidama 9856575163 college address Pangai opposite MPTC da lengbidaktuna ngasimak khudong saba si lobiu.
Years of trusted diagnostic service, Babina Diagnostics.
Welcome back. You're watching ELITETV English News. Now moving on to the news. As a yeoman service under the supervision of IGAR South, Fort Assam Rifles today handed over day-to-day essential items, toys and other edible items to the relief camp opened at Manipur College, Chingamathak in Imphal West. The items were handed over by Commandant of the Fort AR Sandip Mishra. About 170 devastated people who are taking shelter at the relief camp are from Sugnu, Sero, Napat, More and Moirangpuril. Speaking to media persons, Commandant Sandip Mishra said the initiative has been taken up in humanitarian grounds. Such type initiative will be continued at other different relief camps too. Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization MMWO has condemned the bomb attack at Kwakta last night and injuring 3 innocent people in the strongest term. Speaking to media persons during a press meet held at the office of the organization at Minuthong Hata, advisor of the organization Abdullah Fundray Mayum said, "Till today, Manipuri Meitei Pangal is living in neutral and trying to bring peace and normalcy in the state. However, somebody is trying to instigate the Meitei Pangal in order to involve in the present prevailing situation. This is very unfortunate," he said. On the other hand, despite tight security has been deployed at different places, how such explosion took place. He drew the attention of the authority to look into the matter and do the needful at the earliest.
tumliba mi hodokba atumba kaida chaina chiluba khoibung de chaina chiluba ni thokani habase masi wakhan khan bagi tangai phadaba lei maram aduna thum badam da masi langla langi putho kanda idea miyam da khangan gedobuni na ta ta da sum tumine lei thokra kanda miyam bu sanai na ba amada khamna ba kaidong do phonda roi dabani ai phonra pata da MMW o musum mai pangal singna khang da tumine khak lei thokloi matam khari mamanda mafam masida ai idakna news check wanda mai pangal amana sa jo jaba adum dukalama ahingda refit action force ki adunglaba personnel singna mai thana bu honaramba moirang khomda gari thugai khirogi thudok sing ekhoina khanghan masida khoina hang thamdari mafamde masida hidal legenda amagi marumda lamdam masida ngasi thokliba kanglu pirang ase masibu tonga tonga makam sing government to halakanda civil war amada kalbhat tawna bagi damak honara pra haiba.
Parents Association of Meitei student of JNB, student of Ukrul, Senapati and Tuinom today urged the authority concerned for transferring the students to a safer institute of JNB. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, a guardian named Irengbam Ibungo said the Meitei students of these 3 Navodaya schools are not in position to study further due to present prevailing situation. Therefore, he drew the attention of the authority concerned for transferring of the Meitei students to any safer institute before June 28.
Ahomdagi horaga Koki amadi Meitei Kanglup anigi marakta thokiba lani maram oiraga maruoina Suchampur Kurkhul Kangpopi sida leiriba khogi JNB Navodaya Vidyalaya sida leiriba chhatra sing student sing je laik tambada koi khudong chadaba masina maram oiraga akogi tapak sing da leiriba JNB sing da mari lenaba singna akogi transfer to binabagi damakta akoi version punamak sina pullaga akoi ngasi akogi press club sida aina mol selaga mayam famda haijabani.
Women folk of Sagol Bantera Lukram Leirak today blocked the National Highway 37 Imphal Juri Road at the junction of Lukram Leirak and checked the many vehicles passing through the highway. Talking to media persons, Amaira Parbi said some central and paramilitary forces are carried out, which is not desired by the people of Manipur. Besides, Kuki militants are not stopping attack to the innocent villager at the foothills. Blocking of road and checking of vehicles will be continued, she added.
Manipur ware hajewo ising da ware nungchik da ware mai da ware paisa da ware loina ware haiba siro haibra ba aikoi Manipur sibu India gi phibung da channa bra haiba mase akoi aseng mama khang da tara gadi lojing loyang na tamsalai ba mayam se aikoi uda basu tawi gano adu kane masi aroi ba no pilan awam suba Serious akoi sigane haiba mase tabiu lamdam atopada leiriba walla leiriba pithribi puna magnane tabiu akoi sibana abaki de imale ba ke damakta koi thawai tagani aduga akoi prime minister home minister defense minister me amsu tobiyo kari damakta security singje akoi gi support roi jodi ka dobai thajal igino ba thajal kano aba state force ka koi khutukulai pibiyo imame amsu thengna ge haigera hairoida ka ke akoi so akoi training pibiyo akoi su sange haiba state force me am lae adagi pit force lai mayam lai kari gumi ma tawde CRP me am do sa tha ga dum yeng le BSF yeng le kai do bala ino ba akoi hana ba suna ba yeng bala ira ba aduna akoi gi state se akoi na wahan se India gi manung sanda bla sande hai tara ga di prime minister na India gi manu sande seng na hai biyo noi lokchok biyo declare to biyo ngasi mak declare to biyo noi Manipur se akoi gi India gi manung sande hai tara ga di sta India gi state se noi bra oi da bra hai ba do seng na hai biyo masi hai ra ga ne akoi tangdang na akoi si imale ba ki dam ga theng na ge
state asida kuki immigrant sina Myanmar de changa kwa du gumba foreigner singa duna aikoi gi leba ki shanti thuwai ra kwa sida state government as well as central government matik chaba action local pidaktaba ta sena central government local ka haragadi pung hai ju changa do banate adu bawda mokoina local pidana aikhoi gi laibak sida toriba so iba siriba mayam singa se kuki immigrant singi michang changdon laikiba sida ngasi di lamdam asigi ima event singa se pen da bana helaktuna akhoi isa issue ibung ifwasing amadi ipuroiba kannana bidangta aikhoi thokchara pani ta sena aikhoi na lan horage moi gi mathakta akhoi keno torage खुलाई पाइरगा लान होगेन थोलको नते सुपना दगे शांति पुरंग नबी दांता अखोय gi थमोय gi ओइबा शक्ति यदुना मरम ओइरगा शांति पुरंग नब होना जबनी तासेना अखोय ngasi di lambi asida sangai chelom da kapna riba sigi noire habigi I pau phangni phawbadi अखोय lambi tingjaraga kuki singi support laiba maruina asam rifle CRPF aduga rapid action force ki lamni singa se अखोय thingna batong jagani अखोय lingjen manarasi lamdam asigi nopi sing ingna tapna leramba punsi do mo da anjalanga na ba kuki singa se manipur gi maru phangna phuktok thina ba अखोय thorang torasi lan gi khakhe chela si aiba apun singi अखोय na tamjari ba se.
And let's take a short break again. Stay tuned for more updates.
Admission Open, R&T Institute and Aviation Academy के लाकतोरी session 2023-24 के admission हाउसरे Institute as the Ministry of Corporate Affairs Government of India ना well recognized तौरबा अमदी 5 years service complete ओइरबा मणिपुर दा अमतंगाइरबा Air Hostess Training Institute अमनी class 12 pass तौरबा महैरोई सिंगना तुंगे अफबा career अमदी aviation industry दा चंगनिंगबा सिंगना मिंग चनबिबा यारगनी male and female पुना apply तौबा यारबा 10 to 15 years flying experience lairaba trainer singna train tauriba 100+ students placement pikraba institute asida tongan ba course singi khudong chaba lecture course sing atudi international air hostess training airport operational staff training ground handling loina na soft skill career counseling interview skill spoken english and hindi grooming guest lecturer session resume making mock interview service classes first aid interview preparation zumba class swimming class amadi airport visits institute asiki staff single loinana placement assistance ki damag infal amadi atopa state sing da su khudong chaba pizari khudong chaba sing asiki damag 12 standard loiraba students singna institute asida lakpiduna akupa marol tanabiu amadi online inquiry ki damag contact number asida call tawbiduna tanabiu 7005970470 natraga 8132092225
लाना थौरम मालेम ताइबंग पानासिदा एखोई ख्वाइगी इरक्ता तिंजरंबा लाइश्रम बंकिम चंद्र अतोपा ममिंग अबुंग मथाइना मागी नुंसीजरबा इमुंग मनोंग सागैनातै अमदी मरुप मपांग ख्वाइ पुमनमकपु थादोक्लमलगा हौखिबा चैत्रेत तरा हुंदोई था तरुक कुमजा लिसिंग अनिगा कुनबु हुंदोई कुमजा इंगागी कुनगा मंगानी पानबा लेबाक पोक्पा नुमित्ता खामेन लोकी आइगेजांग खुंदा थोखिबा लाइबक थीबा थौदोक्ता ताइबंग चेंगजेल लोइरदुना तेंगबानबा मपुगी लेकोलदा लेरांग लेनम ओइना तिनख्रे लाकलिबा चैत्रेत तरा मापन था तरुक कुमजा लिसिंग अनिगा कुनबु हुंदोई कुमजा इंगेनगी नोंगमा पानबा निंगथौकाबा नुमित्ता मंगानी लेहुन तमजरगा लाकलिबा चैत्रेत कुनगा मंगा था तरुक कुमजा लिसिंग अनिगा कुनबु हुंदोई कुमजा इंगेनगी तरेत निपानबा नोंमाइजिंग नुमित्ता लाना थरोम थोकले नुमित असिदा लेखिद्रबगी थवाइना तेंगबानबा मपुगी लेकोलदा इंगना चिकना लेजरुनबा अंगंबा खरदंग लांगजदुना ताइबंग मपुगी ngaklo khada sidaba मपुगी मिंखै रोलगा लोइनना कच्चगदौरी थरोमसिदा अहन लमन इमा इबेन मरुप मपांग अमदी इचे इचल CSO सिंग क्लब सिंग अमदी लमदम सेगी इमा लूप सिंग पुमनमकना मतम चाना लेंबिरक्तुना सीदबा मपुगी मिंखै रोल तंबिरनबा इलिट टीवी की खोथांगदा पाउजेंजरी लाना थौरमसी इमुंगी फिबमना मरम ओइदुना इमुंग मनोंग नेता क्लब अमदी खुलोन इरोनबा लेकाई सिंग CSO सिंग क्लब सिंग अमदी लमदम सेगी इमालुप सिंगा लोइनना पांगथोकजरगनी पाउजेंजरीबा इमुंग मनुंग अमदी नेता थौरम मफम कंगला संगोम संग अवांग लेकाई कम्युनिटी हॉल इम्फाल ईस्ट फोन नंबर 7004259973 अमदी 9366576106
Admission open. Manipur University Kanchipur gi manakta leba Temple of Learning Toll amasung Temple of Learning Degree College ki 2023-2024 gi admission tawjari. 11 class Science, Arts amasung Commerce. Degree College ki na General Course ta BA amasung BSc, Professional Degree Course ta BBA amasung BCA ni. CCTV camera na monitor tawraba classroom amadi campus matik charaba playground, well equipped tawraba Science, Arts amasung laboratory taret. Lising kaya gi larik leraba library ahum quality education bu pamjaba mairoi sing mama mapa amasung guardian singna athubada mingchan bi ho sit akaknabani selection test leiroi ahan lakpada kudong sab pizegani agopa marol office dagi mobile website amadi online kuthang dagi phangbigani. Admission open. Central Academy Khabam Sumraithong. Manipur laiba CBSE da affiliate toba khwaidagi phaba school singi manungda ama oiriba Central Academy Khabam Sumraithong Manipur ki Kumsi Sahigi Class 9 gi akaknaba sit khara amasung Class 11 Science Arts ani asigi mingchan ba hojare. School asi yamna mayon chumna fagalakliba national thaki awardee kaya puthokliba makal makha kaya gi state and national level competition da gold medalist amadi prize winner puthokliba school ni. Leibaki awabada saruk yaba oina Class 9 gi de admission fee amasung tuition fee lodana lemna mingchan jagani. Class 11 gi oina AISSE 2023 amadi ISSLCE 2023 da 90 PC amasung masigi mathakta phangba angang singi damak admission tuition fee lodabatan natana textbook su lemna pizagani. Smart class ka loinana angang singna lairik pagadaba matamda tuition chatpagi hainabi thadok hananaba strict oina class tawgani. Khangdriba fawba takpigani. Leibaki irangi awaba nangliba singidi aikhoina ngamjaba thakta mateng pangjagani. Class 11 gi admission fee lupa lising manga loinana prospectus lupa chani punna lupa lising manga chani khaktani. Akopa morol gi damak school gi office ta tanabiu.
Imphal East District ki oina Higher Secondary Examination 2023 da percentage masing khwaidagi wangna First Division da pass tauba Royal Academy of Science Wangkhayamadi Kongbagi Class 11 Science 2023-24 da tamnaba admission process hauzare. Ahan by admission tauba satra chamada textbook lemna fanghangani loinana admission fees lupa lishing taruk oigani. Bus amasung van service na chingbaga loinana hostel facility su leigani. Akupa marol gidamag Royal Academy of Science ki Wangkhay office ta lakpiu.
Welcome back. You're watching ELITETV English News. Now moving on to the news. In the midst of the ongoing fight, unrest and violence between the Kuki and Meitei communities in Manipur, two Naga legislators held a meeting with 6 Kuki MLAs in Guwahati today. A source, however, informed the Sangha Express that no formal meeting took place today. As per source, a detailed meeting will be held along with all the MLAs consisting of Naga and Kuki MLAs in New Delhi next week, which bring out more clarity on the next course of action. However, the source close to the development did not disclose the agenda of the meeting, claiming it to be too early to reveal. Congress Parliamentary Party Chairperson Sonia Gandhi on Wednesday issued an appeal for peace. Violence hit Manipur and said the unprecedented violence that has devastated the lives of people of the state has left a deep wound on nation's conscience. In a video message shared by the Congress on social media, she expressed sadness that people were forced to flee the only place they called home and leave behind all that they built over their lifetime. It is heartbreaking to witness our brothers and sisters who have coexisted peacefully turn against each other, she said in her message. Mrs. Gandhi said the history of Manipur stands testament to its ability to embrace people of all ethnicities, religions and backgrounds, and the myriad possibilities of a dispersed society. It takes tremendous trust and goodwill to nurture the spirit of brotherhood and a single mischief to fan the flames of hate and divisiveness, she noted. The Congress has been accusing the BJP of playing divisive politics in Manipur and alleged that the government in the state and at the center have failed in their duty to maintain law and order in the northeastern state.
I express my condolences to all those who have lost their loved ones. I am deeply saddened to see people forced to flee the only place they call home and leave behind all that they have built over a lifetime. It is heartbreaking to witness our brothers and sisters who have coexisted peacefully turn against each other. The history of Manipur stands testament to her ability to embrace people of all ethnicities, religions, and backgrounds, and the myriad possibilities of a diverse society. It takes tremendous trust and goodwill to nurture the spirit of brotherhood and a single misstep to fan the flames of hate and divisiveness. Today, we are at a vital crossroads. Our choice to embark on the path of healing will shape the future that our children will inherit. I appeal to the people of Manipur, especially my brave sisters, to lead the way in bringing peace and harmony to this beautiful land. As a mother, I understand your pain, and I appeal to your good conscience to lead the way. It is my sincere hope that over the coming weeks and months, we set out on the long journey of rebuilding trust and emerge stronger from this trial. I have immense hope and faith in the people of Manipur, and I know that together we will overcome this ordeal.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi today met US President Joe Biden at the White House in Washington, D.C. After Mr. Modi's arrival at the presidential palace, Mr. Biden, along with the First Lady of the US, Dr. Jill Biden, received him. Earlier, Prime Minister Modi and First Lady of the US, Jill Biden, visited the National Science Foundation (NSF) in Alexandria, Virginia. They met students from the US and India who are learning skills to succeed in industries vital to the economies of the two countries. MEA spokesperson Arindam Bagchi said Mr. Modi and the US First Lady participated in a unique event focused on promoting vocational education and skill development among youth. They discussed collaborative efforts aimed at creating a workforce for the future. Mr. Modi highlighted various initiatives undertaken by India to promote education, research, and entrepreneurship. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Modi expressed happiness that he met the young and creative people right after visiting Washington, D.C. The Prime Minister thanked First Lady Jill Biden for planning and organizing the event. The Prime Minister said, to maintain a growth momentum, India and the US need a pipeline of talent. He said on one hand, the US has top-class educational institutions and advanced technologies, and on the other hand, India has the world's biggest youth factory. Mr. Modi said that is why he believes that the India-US partnership will prove to be the engine of sustainable and inclusive global growth. He said under Skilled India, Government of India has skilled over 50 million people in the field of artificial intelligence, blockchain, drone, and others. Welcoming the Prime Minister, Mrs. Biden said, with this official visit, they are bringing together the world's oldest and largest democracies. She said the relationship is not just about governments, they are celebrating the families and the friendship between both countries. Mrs. Biden said, the US-India partnership is deep and expansive as they jointly tackle global challenges. In SAF Championship 2023, the India's men's football team defeated arch-rival Pakistan 4-0 at the Sri Kantirava Stadium in Bengaluru last night. For India, Captain Sunil Chhetri scored a hat-trick while Udanta Singh Kumam scored the fourth goal in the 81st minute. Chhetri scored the first goal in the 10th minute, the second goal in the 16th minute, and the third penalty goal in the 74th minute. With this, India has begun its tournament journey on a winning note. Earlier in the day, Kuwait defeated Nepal 3-1 in the tournament opener. The 8 teams which are taking part in the 14th edition of the SAF Championship have been divided into 2 groups. Group A comprises India, Kuwait, Nepal, and Pakistan, while Group B consists of Lebanon, Maldives, Bhutan, and Bangladesh. Sunil Chetri led India are the highest ranked team in Group A. They are 101st in the FIFA rankings. Kuwait are world number 143, followed by Nepal at 174. Nepal were the runners-up in the last edition in 2021. Pakistan are ranked lowest at 195. The group stages will be played in a single round-robin format. The top two teams from each group will then play semi-final on 1st of next month. The final is scheduled for 4th of next month. India have won SAF championship 8 times and are the most successful team in the tournament. For ELITETV News Channel, contact to the email address info@elitetv.in or 940-2890-982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. Now, before we wind up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Fierce gunfight at Thailand Pokpi and Sangaitel. Suspected 2 Kuki militants reportedly killed, 3 village defense volunteers injured. Situation in Manipur is heartbreaking, says Sonia Gandhi. MMWO strongly condemns explosion of bomb at Kwakta last night. And curfew relaxed for Imphal East, West and Bishnupur districts till 5 p.m. today. No shorten of curfew till now. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.